Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ajola Jibade. So, I'm a YouTuber. I'm a online business analyst. I teach and lecture on how to make money online, and also show you how to set up your e-commerce store or how to do online business generally. So, in today's video, or to be a continuation of the previous video I released, so just stay tuned, and if you don't get the full gist of this video, please refer back to the previous video. I'll be dropping the link on the description. So in today's video, I'll be showing you the various ATM cards, Nigerian ATM cards that work on Pyypl. That is, and if you are new, if you've not heard about Pyypl account, please refer to my previous video. So Pyypl is a platform that you can buy dollar, and you can buy dollar into and convert that dollar to money, and you make your profit. Okay. So in this video, I'll be showing you the various cards that work, Nigerian ATM cards that work. So due to the CBN restriction on card, they've limited various cards to $20 and some to $50. Okay. So, but before, the various limit on cards are $100. Now, but then due to CBN restriction, now the dollar limit for most cards are $20. Okay, and on a single ATM card, you could make as much as 2,500 naira profit. Okay, so imagine if you are able to get about 50 ATM cards, just multiply 2,500 naira profit times 50. You can see your profit. You will have seen your profit. Okay, so in this video, let's go to the video. I'm showing you the various cards that work. Okay, so just stay tuned. Okay, now these are the ATM cards that work on Pyypl. So as I've said earlier, if you don't know about Pyypl and how to use it, please refer to my previous video and watch it. Okay, now various cards that work on Pyypl are: number one is Stanbic. It has $50 limit. That is, you can load $50 on Pyypl with your Stanbic ATM card, and at the rate of about, let's say, at the rate of 490 and at most 500 naira. At most 500 naira, but the rate is always around 495. That is CBN rate. That is CBN rate. I know we all know that for dollar we have CBN rate and the black market rate. So this card will be giving you $50 at CBN rate, which is a profit for us. So if you are able to buy, imagine you are able to buy dollar at the rate of 495, and you are able to sell it around 700. Just that difference in between 700 and 495 is your own profit. Okay, so you'll be able to load your Pyypl account with $50 at CBN rate. Okay, so for Stanbic ATM card, you'll be able to load Stanbic Mastercard ATM card. So to be $50 for Standard Chartered is Mastercard is $49. For UBA Mastercard is $20. So all these dollars are in CBN rate. They'll be selling dollar to you at CBN rate. Okay, so in my previous video I've demonstrated on how to use them on Pyypl. So you may as well if you don't get the full gist, do like to refer to my previous video so you can watch and know how to use them. Okay, so for a UBA Visa card is $19. Union Mastercard is $19.5. Union Elite Mastercard is $19. First Bank Mastercard is $20. Then Zenith Mastercard is $19. Zenith Vista card is $18. So let's go to the calculation. Let's say for Zenith Mastercard, you fund it with 10,000 naira. There will be change because you'll be buying this $18 at CBN rate. So multiply 490 times 18. You can see that they will still have change from your 10,000 deposit. Okay, so fund your Zenith Mastercard with 10,000 naira. There will be change. Use it on use $18 on Pyypl, Square or Neteller. The gain is about 1.6 to 2,000, but then the gain now is about 2.5 because dollar is about 700. As at the point of me recording this, the dollar was about 620, but now dollar is about 700. Okay, so you can know that the profit will be about 2,500 naira, and some you can even get as much as 3,000 naira, even on 10,000 naira deposit. profit. Okay, so once you fund your Zenith card with $18 with 10,000 naira, use $18 on PYPL. As I've said earlier, I've demonstrated there's a video that I did on how to fund your PYPL with $18 using your Zenith Mastercard. So just go through the link on the description. There's a link to that video on the description below, on this video description, so you can actually watch it and know and understand how it can be used. So if this is your first time of viewing this, okay, for Stanbic Mastercard, for Stanbic, you fund with 26,000 naira, that is 26k. You still have some change left in your account. You use $50 on PYPL. Net teller gain is about 3,600 to 4,000, but now for the gain for this one is about 5,000. Okay, for Union Mastercard, fund with 10.5, use $19 on PYPL or just copy. Gain is about 1,200 naira to 25. UBA Mastercard or UBA prepaid Visa card, fund with 10,000 naira, use $19 on PYPL, use 12.5 on SOF on GhostPay. For Mastercard, use 11,000 on GhostPay. For prepaid, this gain is about 2,000 naira to 25. Okay, for Standard Chartered, fund with 26k, use about $49 on PYPL. Net teller, faster pay, Square, etc. Gain is about 3,600 to 4. So all these gain are now more. The gain now is now more because dollar is about 700 plus now. Okay, so you can just imagine. So first one, Mastercard, fund your Mastercard with 10,200 naira. You still have some change left in your account. Use $20 on PYPL. Then the gain is about 2.5. It's not 1.5. The gain is about 2.5. Okay. So Sterling / Go Money, you fund with 49,200 naira. You still have some change. Use $100 on Faster Pay. Fidelity Visa card, use on Faster Pay, $20 on Faster Pay. Okay, so for GTB is not currently working, Access is not working, Echo Bank is not working, FCMB is not working. Okay, so let's just do the calculation for if you're able to get like 3 ATM cards for all these ATM cards that I've listed. Now the calculation is that, let's say for Zenith you're able to get like 10 accounts, like these 10 different Zenith Mastercards, and you use 10,200 naira on them. Your profit was about, let's say, 2,000 naira or 2.5. Now let's say for the 10 accounts, your profit will be about 25,000. It's not 17,000. Your profit is about 25,000 because the dollar rate is about 700 now. But let's just say on 10 ATM Zenith Mastercard, you're able to get about 17,000. Let's just say, but then the profit is now more because at the time I'm doing this research, the dollar was about 600, 620. But now dollar is about 700. Okay, so let's say for Zenith, you're able to make for Zenith account, you're able to make 17,000. And how do you do this? You don't need to go and look for high capital. Just your 10,200 naira. That is, you transfer 10,200 naira to one Zenith account. You use the Mastercard, you use the ATM card, make your profit, transfer back the 10,200 naira to another Zenith account. You use it, make your profit. That is, this process is just wash, rinse, and repeat. Wash, rinse, and repeat. That is, you do it. You rinse, you repeat. That is, you do it continuously. Like once you do it on one ATM card, you move to the next ATM card, you move to the next. So it will be the same capital you are using for everything. You don't need to even go and look for a huge amount of money. Okay, so imagine you have 10 accounts, you are gaining about 17,000. Stanbic, for Stanbic, you have one, you have about 4,000, but then the profit is now more because dollar is high now. So let's say 4,000 naira. For Standard, you're able to get like 4 accounts. So for each Standard Chartered account, the profit is about 4,000, minimum of 4,000. So if you're able to get 4 accounts, that is 4 times 4, that is 16,000 naira profit. Okay. For First Bank, if you're able to get like 2 accounts, your let's say your profit is about 3,000. So know that all these profits are now more. This is just an average. So Union, let's say your profits you are able to get one Union Mastercard, you're able to get like that is 1.5. UBA, you're able to get like 2 UBA Mastercard or Visa card. Your profits are about 4,000. So that's if you do all these things, you'll be having 61,500 naira extra income to yourself, extra profit, extra income, and with your 10,200 naira you started with. Okay, your 10,200 naira you started with still with there, so you'll be having extra profit of 61,500 just from 10,200 naira or the investment. Okay, so you can see that this process is not just once. You can do it, wash, repeat, and rinse and repeat. Okay, so let's say you now have about 3 parties. You're able to like get, like, from friends and family. You're able to get ATM cards, a whole lot of ATM cards. All these ATM cards you'll be making for Zenith. You'll be, let's say you're able to get extra 5 Zenith Mastercard. That is, you'll be making about 85,000 naira just from using, like, let's 15 ATM 15 Zenith cards. Okay, for Stanbic, let's say you're able to like get 2, that is to be 8,000 naira profit. For Standard Chartered, let's say you're able to like get 4 accounts, 4 different accounts. That is, it will now be 4,000 times let's say you're able to like get like 8 of it, so you have 32,000 naira. Let's say for your first bank, you're able to get like extra 2 accounts more. That means 3,000 times 5, that is 15,000. Okay, so this is just the calculation of it. So imagine that you're able to get, for Zenith Mastercard, you're able to get like 20 Zenith Mastercard, and on each Mastercard you are seeing a profit of, let's say, 2,000 naira as a minimum. So multiply 2,000 naira times 20, that's about 40,000 naira profit. And let's say you're able to like get, for First Bank, you're able to like get like 10 of it. Multiply 2,000 times 10, that is about 20,000 naira. All this card just is not necessarily you use your own. You are not only restricted to your own account. You can use your relative account, you can use your family, your friends account, you can use your colleagues account. Okay, you just fund the account, use it, move to the next account, use to the next, and be making your money like that. Okay, so this is just how you will be making so much massive passive income. This is just how you'll be making massive passive income. So these are the cards that work on Pyypl. Your Stanbic, your Standard, these are cards that we have tested over time, and is a trust, and they are trusted. We've tested them, and they are working. Okay, your Stanbic card is working, your Standard Chartered card is working, Union, UBA, Mastercard, UBA Visa, Union, First Bank, Zenith, Union Elite. These are the cards that are working, that you have tested on Pyypl. So if you are watching this video for the first time, please, and you don't understand all what we are talking about, please do refer back to my previous video. I'll be dropping the link to my previous video in the description below, so just refer it to them and watch it. And in that video, I explain on how to set up a Pyypl account and how to open a Binance account, and also I also explained on how to make use of a live demonstration, how to make use of this card and to make money. In that video, we actually used one Zenith Mastercard, and we were able to realize about 2,500 naira profit. So you may as well want to like watch that video to know how to use all these cards on Pyypl. Okay, so if you find value in this video, kindly like and subscribe to this channel, and also turn on the notification bell button. And again, if you are having issues and you want me to explain more and you don't get it, please do comment. I'll be willing to help you out if you face any challenges. Okay, so I'll be anticipating to hearing from you. Please, if you have any question, please use the comment box below, and I'll be willing to help you out. Okay, but then if you find value in this video, kindly like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, thank you, to meet again.